DNM-800 Series, voltage attenuators and current transformers from ICP DAS USA. The DNM-800 series is a voltage attenuator and current transformer designed for use in high voltage applications. The current can be converted into plus or minus peak-to-peak voltage attenuated signal so that a general electronic measuring device is able to read the signals. Compared to ICP DAS USA power meter products, in addition to AC signals, the DNM-800 series can convert DC signals as well. The users can use appropriate ICP DAS USA remote I/O modules to measure the converted plus or minus 10 VDC signal via the DNM-800 series. By using this series, the power data of all kinds of machines and AC/DC motors can be easily measured and retrieved, and then the analyzed data can be used to develop a model to build a failure warning system. This series is a one-channel voltage attenuator and one-channel current transformer. The maximum voltage input range is from plus or minus 100 V, can be attenuated to plus or minus 10 V, and the maximum current input range is from plus or minus 50 A, can be attenuated to plus or minus 10 V. The DNM-800V series are voltage input attenuators. The maximum input range is from plus or minus 80 V to plus or minus 600 V, and can be attenuated to plus or minus 10 V. The I version provides 3000 VDC intra-modules isolation and 3000 VDC channel-to-channel isolation to avoid noise interference from inputs to outputs or channel to channel. It can be used with analog input modules to measure the high voltage. The DN8431CT series maximum input range is from plus or minus 1A to plus or minus 50A, and can be attenuated from plus or minus 1.6 V to plus or minus 10 V. It can be used with the analog input modules such as I7017 and I87017, etc. to measure the high current. To learn more about our voltage attenuators and current transformers, visit our website at www.icpdas-usa.com.